Hi guys, today we're gonna be opening slime that I just got today. So it's like I love the slime and I already decorated it. So this is the fairy slime, and this is ukulele slime, and this is the egg slime, and this one is kitty slime, and this one is gingerbread house slime, and this is the turkey slime, and this one is the dinosaur slime, and this one is the polar bear slime. Okay, so we're gonna be trying out the slime. First one is this one, polar bear slime. That's my favorite one. Okay, let's open it. I know you guys can't see because I only have one hand to hold the camera. It's so good. Here. I'm trying to show you. It's so crunchy. It is so crunchy, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Here, I'll show you. Oh, sorry guys. So that's just my legs. Here, I'll show you. Satisfying. Okay, that's it. And now we'll put it back. I'm gonna put it back in and probably take me a while. Okay, I'm done. Next is the fairy slime. This is my second favorite. Now we'll take it out. Okay, I'll show you.